Always support our veterans, everyone. In 7 days, they released the slingshot on silver. It is time to move for this metal. I'm going to explain this in 3 minutes. Check this out. We've got chart after chart after chart just showing us how July is going to have silver moving. Let's start here. This is Wall Street Journal, and they're saying the historic seasonality for silver always shows us that in mid-year we get a bit of a slump, and then from starting July to September, silver starts to move. They're showing it's just a thrust in the metal. And the reason they see this explains it really well here. This is from couriermail.com. They're looking at silver in July, and they're saying that if you follow the gold to silver ratio, it often peaks in the middle of the year, right at July. And that shows us, this is what we've been saying, silver right now with this silver to gold ratio spread is undervalued. And according to couriermail.com, historically, when that ratio spikes, silver will outperform. We see this time and again. All these charts show this. And their example is that in June 2025, that ratio dropped to a multi-year low. And this is why it's going to bounce back in July. And what they really see in July is that it's typically the season for industrial buying, solar panels, electronics. That comes in July, and that lifts the physical demand, and that moves that silver price. On top of that, they're noting inflation, loose monetary policy, the weakening of that U.S. dollar that puts silver in the position of a safe haven commodity. So I look at all this. I look at the seasonality of the metal. I look at the ratio set to reverse, that reversion of that ratio, and the demand for industry moving up. These are the moving pieces, and they come in July. You see those charts. It happens time and again, right? As stackers, we need to understand this metal. It really has a seasonality to it. So it tells me right now we're still at that buy price. I'm not telling you what to do with your money. I'm not giving you advice on your money. I'm just saying this is still the dip. And we've got big movement in silver coming. Just 7 days, we hit July. Hit that subscribe button, everybody. And I'll post another video tomorrow.